Hello, my name is Dr. Robert McBride. I'm a professor of electrical engineering at the University of Arizona. By way of introduction, I am a former Eastern Arizona College student and can assure you that the education you are receiving at this institution will prepare you for advanced studies at the university level. I received my bachelor's and master's degrees from Brigham Young University in Mechanical Engineering and my PhD from the University of Arizona in Electrical Engineering. My dissertation was completed under the direction of Dr. Francois Cellier, focusing on systems analysis through bond graph modeling. After speaking briefly with Dr. Bailey earlier this week, I discovered that the topics you are studying in your Introduction to Engineering course are basically the same as the ones I am teaching to the university students taking my class. In fact, the only real difference is that you are receiving more personalized attention because there are 15 students in your class and more than 100 in mine. There are two brief examples of what I recently taught students in my Introduction to Engineering at the U of A. See if they sound familiar to you. Last week we discussed the field of robotics and how robots are used in our society. We learned the various components of control systems and how they function. These include the microcontroller, position sensor, and servo actuators to form control feedback loops. I demonstrated how the flow of electronic information is handled between the components and the interface, and that the robot is a very complex system of parts that must work together to achieve a desired goal. And just like Dr. Bailey did with your class, I hosted a classroom challenge where each student had to program their own system, and they had to successfully control their robot. We also learned about the physical principles of speed, power, and torque, and how these principles apply to DC motors. In addition, we discussed how power transmits through a system and is very important to accomplish the goal that the system is designed to do. Should you have any questions regarding my work in mechatronic systems, do not hesitate to contact me at rmcbride@arizona.edu. As you can see, what you are learning at Eastern Arizona College is virtually the same as what university students are learning. What this means to me is you can easily transfer to a university and successfully achieve a bachelor's degree without skipping a beat. As you have seen in your coursework at EAC, he who does the work does the learning. Having worked hard at EAC, you will have no problems transferring to the U of A. Please feel free to visit me anytime you're on campus at the University of Arizona. Also, I am happy to meet with you anytime if you decide to transfer to the U of A. In the meantime, feel free to friend me on Facebook and we can stay in touch as to what is happening in the engineering field. Thank you.